What you do?
Go ahead. Say hi.
Hi.
Tell them what you're going to do.
I do my little thingies.
Capsules.
Capsules. And little. Because put it in water.
And it's going to make farm animals.
Yay.
Yay.
I'll do it again.
You got something on your little chinny chin. Okay. So we're going to put water in the bucket. And then she's going to drop in her capsules. And we're going to get farm animals.
Oh, yeah.
And we need better light. Because look. It's really dark. Say, hold on 1 minute.
Hold on, wait a minute.
We'll be right back.
Oh, wait back.
There we go.
There we go.
Better lighting. Okay. Hold on. Let's put the water in here first.
Okay.
So we're going to use her Easter pail. And
Hi,
check out our
guys.
friends are watching
Put
us.
it in the water.
Cadence, who's watching us back here? Who is this?
PJ Masks.
PJ Mask. Who's this one?
No.
Luna girl. Who's that?
Giggle.
Gecko. Who's that?
Warrior.
Romeo. Who's that?
Couple.
Catboy. Who's this one?
Alex.
Alette. Yay! All right.
And go back. What's in
We're gonna pour the water in. Wow, look at all that water. Wow. What do you want to put in first?
This one.
What color is that?
Green.
Green.
And
One.
blue.
Oh, and a blue. Okay, let's do these two first, okay?
Okay.
Let's see. Actually, go ahead and put the rest of them in there, and we'll just do it all at one time.
What's the name?
Yellow?
And what's the name?
That's yellow also. Mommy's going to put in red.
I want red.
Yay!
And what's the name?
What color is that?
Blue.
That's right. Good job.
And what? This one.
Blue.
Say again.
And there's a yellow and a green. Boop.
Red.
And green. Good job. And that's all of them. Now we're going to have to sit here and let them sit so they can get all wet and dissolve, okay?
Okay.
So how about while we're waiting, you look right here and tell them your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! Good job! Hey, I got a question. Can you tell me what this is?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,
Nope. 6,
6, 7, 8, 9, 12.
10.
10.
Good
Let
job.
me mix it.
You want to put your hand in there and mix it?
Oh, yes.
Mixy, mixy, mixy. Okay, don't splash it. You don't want to make a mess on the carpet.
I don't.
So, what else can we talk about while we wait? So, you know what we haven't told anybody?
What is this?
We want a giveaway. Tell them.
Giveaway.
Yeah. What are we getting?
What are you getting?
Are we getting a reborn?
Reborn.
Yay!
Yay.
It's our first one, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, and she's working on it. And are you excited?
My other finger.
Are you excited for our first reborn? Go ahead.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
I can't wait. And this is crazy. These things are not dissolving very fast.
Let me put my finger.
Okay, let's not put our hand all the way in the water, okay?
Okay.
Anyways, so do you have anything else you want to tell them?
I want PJ Masks.
You like PJ Masks? 1 second or something. There we go. So you like PJ Masks. That's what you want them to know? What else do you like?
I want green.
What color is on your pajamas?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Yeah. Get your feet down. Thank you. Don't kick the phone. Careful. What's on your bed? Who's?
Let me. And Dr. Singing.
I can't see it because of my the shadow. Doc is in. Yay! Do you like Doc McStuffins?
Yes.
You do? No. Don't touch the light bulb. Back up. Thank you. Can you back up some more? Look. You're too close.
Oh, my feet's so ugly.
Hold on a minute. What else can we do while we're waiting? Because they're starting to dissolve now. Oh, you got a hair on you.
Oh.
How about... Can you sing me a song? What about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? No? Okay, fine. What's your favorite TV show?
Animals.
Animals? Anything with animals? What's your favorite animal?
Sheep.
Sheep? Bah, good job. Do you have the hiccups again? Bah. Tell them that we're going to have a giveaway. When we hit 100. Tell your friends. Whoop. 100 subscribers.
Yay!
Tell all your friends.
Come on, Gabby Way.
Subscribe away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, they're dissolving. It's coming. Okay, so what else can we tell them? Is that funny? Don't bite that. This is what they look like so far. Watch out, baby. I'm trying to show them. Back up. Back up.
Yeah.
No, that's not done yet. It's still going. It's dissolving. Just looks disturbing to me. Okay. Here you go.
Yay!
Don't be really loud because you might give everybody a headache that watches. Just like me moving the camera.
Yay!
Say almost done.
Almost done.
You know what's going to happen. We're going to do our colors whenever these get done, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to pause this for just a minute and we're going to wait until it's done and come back.
Meow now.
Now you can say it.
Yes, I'm meow now.
They're turning into animals now. So let's see what's already finished here. Here's one of them. What is that?
A sheep.
That's not a sheep. That's a cow.
Cow. Sheep cow.
Sheep cow.
Oh, wow.
It's a little cow.
Cute.
And it has little udders and feet and a tail. Okay, here's your cow.
Another one.
I know. Give me a minute. Okay. Oh, wow. That one's hilarious to me. Do you know what that is?
What's in there?
You don't know what it is?
I don't know.
It's a chicken. Hold on just 1 second. It's a rooster, actually. What color is the cow?
Red.
The cow is red. Do you know what color the rooster is?
Green.
Hang on. Let me show them.
Green.
It's a green rooster.
Yeah.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. What does the cow say?
Moo.
Moo.
It's right.
That's right. Yes, it is.
Let's go.
What is next? Look, it looks like another cow. Only, I think this one is a bull.
Oh.
What color is this bull? What color is he? What color is he? He is a yellow bull.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Here you go. Here's your bull. I'm pretty sure that's
What color bull is?
What color is that bull? What color is he?
Red.
Yellow.
That's right.
That's right, baby.
What color?
I think this is supposed to be a sheep. Is that a sheep? Looks like it's supposed to be a sheep.
Or maybe a sheep.
It looks... That one's a cow. And this one looks like it's supposed to be a sheep,
This
possibly.
one's cattle.
Yep. Oh, that one's a bull. This one's a cow. Yeah, you're right.
But this
So
one
there's that one. This one's a sheep.
Oh, yes.
And what color is the sheep?
Yellow.
Yellow.
You want some that?
Oh, wow.
Yellow.
Guys,
Your
this is
favorite.
hilarious.
Your favorite.
We have... No.
No, let
This
me
one's a
get it.
ram.
No, let me get it
And it's
first.
got... Hold on. Shh. It's got little horns. So here's this one. What color is he?
Pink.
That is red.
Red. Let
Here you
me
go.
get something.
Hang on a second.
Your favorite, too.
This is hilarious. Don't touch that light.
Let me get
Because
something.
I told her not to touch it once. No, wait. Those are not ready yet.
What
Look at this crazy guy. Sit down. Sit down.
is it?
Look at this crazy guy. It's a bunny.
Oh, wow. Bunny.
Hang on just 1 minute. Let me show him.
Oh, whoa.
You good?
You say bird.
It's a bunny. What color is the bunny?
Blue.
No.
Green.
Green. That's
Your
right.
favorite.
All right. And then next we have...
Let me
Okay, this is supposed to be farm animals, so I'm assuming this is supposed to be a pig. I'm assuming.
Let me squeeze it.
Squish, squish. Okay, let me show it to him real quick.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure he's supposed to be a pig. What color is the pig?
With the.
He is red. That's right. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, but they're still floating around in here dissolving. So you're going to have to give them a minute. Please don't put your mouth on the bucket.
Ew.
We have a little bit more to go.
Let me squeeze him.
It's not ready. Hang on. Oh, wow.
Boop.
Oh, wow, that is amazing. The next one we have here is a goose. Here, let me show him. Here's a goose. He's got his little head down.
Okay.
And he's just... What color is the goose?
B.
What color is he?
Rattle.
Yellow. This looks like maybe it's supposed to be a turkey.
Turkey. Let me squeeze him.
I got it.
No.
Hang on a minute. I'll let you squeeze him when I'm done. This is... Wait a minute. Be patient, please.
A
Little
cabbage.
turkey. Turkeys say gobble gobble.
Gobble gobble.
What color is the turkey?
Blue.
Blue.
It's right.
That is right. Oh, the next one's done. And I have no idea what it is. It looks like it's supposed to be like a... Maybe some type of deer or something. No. I'm not sure. It's kind of awkward. Maybe a goat. I don't know. Maybe it's a ram. I don't know. That's it. Got a little tail. His head's still a little lopsided, but... What color is he?
Blue.
He is blue. What's next? Let's see here. Which one's going to get done faster? There's 2 more. Come on. Which one's going to pop out here faster? I don't know. I don't know. What are you? I think we have another duck or goose or something. I don't know. It's not done. It's going really slow. Get your mouth off. Thank you.
Get him.
He's not ready yet. They're still opening. I think this one's done. Hold on. I'm trying to see what it is. Is it a... Maybe it's a... I don't know. I was going to say maybe it's a squirrel, but it doesn't have front legs if it's a squirrel. And maybe it's supposed to be a duck. I don't really even have a clue. Watch out, please. This is what it looks like. So, I don't know if it's supposed to be like this, and maybe it's a squirrel with a puffy tail. Or if it's supposed to be like this, and maybe... Oh, don't rip it, baby.
I know.
Maybe it's a duck, and it's just a little bit deformed. I'm not sure, but... What color is it?
Blue.
It is blue.
A ducky, they're blue.
Okay, she says it's a ducky, so I guess we're sticking with ducky.
Wow.
And this one is still in a ball. So, we're going to give it a minute. While we're waiting on this little green one to finish opening, that's taking forever, we're going to do this. Let me see. Oh, listen, listen. Can you tell me what this...
No.
What is this cow? She's very cranky because she's very tired. Because she did not take a nap today. So we have a red cow, and then we have the yellow bull. So there's those. And then we have a red pig with a very long nose. We have a sheep that is yellow. We have a rooster that is green. And that's why I figure that one is supposed to be like maybe a hen or a duck. I think it's a duck, actually. I'm pretty sure it's a duck. It's just not fully formed. I'll put it back in the water. Because we have this goose who is yellow. And our rooster was green. No! Hang on just a minute, please. We have the bunny, who's green. And the turkey, who is blue. And then we have these two, which looks to me like maybe a... That was very rude. Please hand it back. Thank you. Maybe a ram. And this one is possibly... What is it they call a male sheep? A goat? I don't know. Anyway. It's the sheep, like it's the male version of a sheep. I feel very dumb right now. Because he's the poofy one, like with the wool, because you can see the ruffles and the really tiny tail.
In the water.
So yeah. And he is red. And now she's going to put them all back in this measuring cup right here. And okay, it finally finished. This is a duck.
Wow.
It's a blue duck. And that thing is still having its own issues. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah, I know what this is going to be. It's not finished, but it is the female ram. You can tell what it's going to be. It's not done. It's got to go back in the water. Okay, so that's all. What do you want to do now? Maybe we should show them your slime. Yeah? Easter egg slime. Yay! This one over here is already open. We bought these at Walmart. They were 98 cents for a 2-pack. And so I thought it would be interesting. It's very glittery looking. Oh well. Like a metallic. Here, that one's taped. Do you want to try this one?
Yes, it's so green.
And they're pretty slimy. No, don't put it on the floor.
So dirty.
It's okay. Don't put it on the carpet, okay?
Oh.
Because it'll get stuck. Anyways, it's not super slimy. But it's not... I mean, it's got a decent stretch.
Oh.
We bought these in the Easter aisle at our local Walmart.
Ow.
That one was opened already. We opened it. I actually opened it the day I got them because I wanted to make sure that they were not too slimy for her. So.
Let me have it.
No, ma'am. You're not going to take both of them. Please sit down. So, this is the brand new one. This one was just open. I mean, they do break easy, but they also have quite a bit of stretch.
Break it. I didn't break it. Ew. So gooey. Ew.
It's not like slime that you can make yourself, but it works. It works for her because she really likes slime, so it's a decent quality, I guess. I like it. It's clear. It's clear, but it's colorful.
Ew. Ew. Gooey. Slime.
It is. So, yeah. That's all. All done. All ready. That was quick.
I want my slime.
You want to tell them bye?
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.